Having a portable recorder is important for multiple reasons. While not the best primary form of recording for some situations, the immediacy and convenience of readily recording something on the go still holds value. Whether you want one ready for sudden ideas, or if you want to use it to conduct interviews, record jam sessions, or even use it as an audio interface, this guide will help you choose the best one for your needs. There are many products available to choose from best portable digital audio recorders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best portable digital audio recorders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tascam DR07X Audio Recorders. The Tascam DR07X is an affordable handheld recorder that packs in features often seen in higher-priced models from other manufacturers. It features dual condenser microphones mounted on a swivel to achieve true XY mic positions to a wide AB mic position, with great phase coherence on both. Operating it was designed to be easy with most of the functions within the thumb's reach. It's powered by two AA batteries which last you around 17.5 hours of operation, perfect for recording long jam sessions or off-grid field recording. It also functions as a USB microphone when connecting it to a PC. For additional features, it has onboard reverb and a chromatic tuner. With the Tascam DR07X dual adjustable mix, instrumental recordings have added depth, especially acoustic guitars. The tighter XY positioning works great for single sound sources, while the AB position records binaural audio that simulates how we would hear sound. Number 2. Zoom H2N Audio Recorders. The Zoom H2N looks more like a microphone than a recorder. It can capture different wide range areas with its 5 built-in microphones and 4 recording modes by turning its dial control. This unit includes effects such as compression, limiting, and low-cut filtering. Its built-in microphone allows 2 matched unidirectional microphones at a 90-degree angle to capture stereo recordings. The MS microphone is based on the mid-side technique where one microphone acts as a center channel, while the 2-side microphones create ambience, either adding or subtracting sound waves. Using both the XY and MS microphone helps record audio from different directions. The H2N can be used in a wide variety of ways, which is a testament to its flexibility. Its internal microphone and preamps provide clean and crisp audio quality, and it is quite lightweight. Multiple mic patterns also add to the versatility, giving you choices that range from picking up one sound source precisely or the entire room. Number 3. Zoom H6 All Black Audio Recorders. Versatile and user-friendly, the H6 All Black features an XY stereo microphone capsule, 6 versatile mic line inputs, and up to 6-track recording. The modular inputs allow you to use different mic modules, as well as use the device as an audio interface. A unique feature of a recorder of this size is its simultaneous recording of 6 tracks with built-in stereo mix plus inputs. This enables multiple mics to be used to record other people or even a drum kit. Despite its size, it has sufficient gain for most mics. This also means that it has a low noise floor, which is useful if you're using the unit for field recordings. A few important things that I found were missing in this version, compared to the previous one, are the lack of accessories, and the inclusion of only one mic module. This might be a deal-breaker for people who saw the older version's accessories, and thought the black version would also include them. Number 4. Zoom H8 Audio Recorders. Beyond its odd looks, the Zoom H8 is full of features beyond what you'd imagine a handheld recorder to be. For starters, it has 6 simultaneous inputs with a 1x1/8 secondary input for a capsule. This makes it ideal for multi-input conferences and full bands that want a means to record everything in a multi-track format. The interchangeable capsule system allows for multiple stereo pickup patterns for close miking or ambient sound recording. Battery life is also optimized with the operation for up to 20 hours. It also functions as a multi-input audio interface for recording separate tracks on a DAW. The H8 takes it to the next level with 2 stereo mics and 6 inputs with full audio interface capability. It's a very niche combination, but this makes it a viable option for those looking for a recorder and audio interface in one. Number 5. iZotope SP111 Spire Studio. The iZotope Spire Studio is the company's first attempt at venturing into hardware. As you would expect from an audio software giant, it comes with powerful software backing it up. The built-in mic, as well as the 2 XLR 1/4-inch combo inputs, are all studio-grade. Also on the XLR inputs, it's very impressive that iZotope fitted them with high-end studio standard Grace design preamps. You'll also find a built-in battery in this unit, which can power the device for up to 4 hours of recording. There's a lot more to be impressed by. With the SP111, the recorder comes with a couple of effects and processing features that help to fine-tune the audio quality inside the hardware. Of course, there's a fantastic integration option that iZotope included for connecting your Spire app to iOS devices. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.